Christmas is a time for family, friends, and travel. Whether you're heading to a winter wonderland or visiting loved ones, ensuring your car is ready for the trip is crucial for safety and comfort. Follow this ultimate guide to prepare your vehicle for the holiday season. Plan ahead. Route planning. Use navigation tools to map your journey. Account for potential delays due to weather, traffic, or holiday closures. Check weather conditions. Stay updated on the forecast and plan accordingly if snow, ice, or rain is expected. Inspect your car's mechanical condition. Oil and fluids. Check and top off engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Use winter-specific fluids where necessary. Battery check. Ensure your car's battery is fully charged and the terminals are clean and secure. Cold weather can drain batteries faster. Tire inspection. Check tire pressure and inflate to the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect tire treads. If they're worn, consider replacing them or using winter tires for added traction. Carry snow chains if traveling in snowy or icy conditions. Brakes. Test your brakes to ensure they are responsive and in good condition. Wipers and lights. Replace worn windshield wipers and ensure all lights, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, are functioning. Pack an emergency kit. Prepare for unexpected delays or breakdowns by packing. First aid kit, warm blankets and extra clothing, non-perishable snacks and bottled water, flashlight with extra batteries, jumper cables, ice scraper and snow brush, shovel, tire repair kit, an air compressor, road flares or reflective triangles. Winterize your car. Antifreeze. Ensure your car's coolant system has the proper antifreeze to water ratio. Defrost system. Check that your defrost system works effectively. Fuel tank. Keep your fuel tank at least half full to avoid fuel line freezing and ensure you won't run out in remote areas. Technology and tools. Bring a reliable GPS device or smartphone with a charger. And, hey, don't forget to download offline maps as a backup. A dash cam can provide evidence in case of an accident and help capture those scenic drives. Comfort and convenience. Pack snacks and activities for passengers, especially the kids. Secure your phone for easy navigation and keep it charged. Oh, and bring a small bag to keep the car tidy. Before you leave, start your trip with a full tank of gas. Perform a last-minute check of your car's essential systems under the hood. Avoid the stress of rushing by setting off early and give yourself extra time for unexpected delays. Stay safe on the road. Adjust your speed for road conditions and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Take breaks every 2 hours to stay alert and avoid fatigue. And remember, avoid using cruise control on slippery or uneven roads. By following this guide, you can ensure that your car is well prepared for the Christmas season. Safe travels and happy holidays.